it's Pam. Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to share with you an organizing hack. Now this organizing hack you might have seen online before, but I wanted to share it with you because I think it does have some merit, but also some things that might become an irritant. So I kind of wanted to point out the pros and cons, but overall I think it's a pretty decent hack. Now organizing tools come in many different shapes and sizes, and this one is actually repurposing a normal everyday household item, and that's a dish drying rack. I got this one at Walmart. It was, I want to say like $12, somewhere in there. Wasn't too expensive, but these are actually great for organizing paperwork. The hack I want to show you is that these slots here can offer a nice little holder for folders like these. Now this particular folder I got from Staples. It has the sides closed, so they are great for receipts. And I was thinking this would be a great idea for saving receipts for tax time. This dish rack actually has 12 little slots that you can put all of these files for every month of the year. Now the one con I wanted to point out in this hack is that sometimes it's a little bit difficult to line up the side slats with the little dividers in the middle. So sometimes your files will kind of go askew, like if I put it in this one here and it goes back here, but it's in this slot here and it's kind of diagonal. So you just have to take time in the beginning to line up your slats with the middle part. Did I get it on that side? Nope, see, it's caught. That's the little irritant I found. These things don't go in and out. So if you need a filing system where you're going to be taking the files in and out regularly, maybe this isn't a good hack for you. But as you can see, it kind of angles it back. You just label these files per month, and then as you bring in receipts, pop them in here. Now what I like about this is it has a little caddy right here. Now this would be normally for your silverware. It now holds any pens, pencils. You could probably fit a small stapler in there, maybe some paper clips. So you have an all-purpose center for your files. Now I'm showing you them with the files that have the closed sides. You can also use regular files like these. These are just some floral ones I got from Staples. They're a lot of fun. You can use this as a great paper processing center for kids when they get home from school. We're in July right now, so school's not that far off. And if you can set up organized systems ahead of time before school starts, you will be ahead of the game, and the school year, which is normally extremely busy, will seem a little less stressful. And what you do is just color code your folders for your children. Your child can put any homework that they want you to look over after they've finished it in here. They could put papers you need to sign that they need to bring back. You can also use this as a checkpoint that they did their homework, okay? So like I said, you can just get different color folders, assign a different color for each child, and that way you can keep track of their homework that they bring home during the school year. So overall, this is a pretty good hack for managing paperwork coming into your home. And another thing that I like about it is that it is portable. It is something you can leave sitting on your kitchen counter and it'll still look nice and neat. You can collect all your paperwork during the week and then pick it up and carry it into your office to do the paperwork at the end of the week. So I give this relatively simple organizing hack a big thumbs up. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please press that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so you know every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. Thanks for watching. Video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.